Have you ever heard someone say there is no time? It's a curious phrase. We live by the clock, rushing to appointments, celebrating birthdays. Time seems inescapable. Yet, in moments of deep meditation or creative flow, time can vanish. The world fades, and all that exists is a single expansive now. This isn't just for monks. You've likely felt it, lost in music, art, or under a starry sky. An hour can feel like a minute, or a second can stretch into eternity. Ancient spiritual texts speak of an eternal realm beyond our everyday sense of time. They suggest our experience of time is just a shadow of a deeper, unchanging reality. These whispers of timelessness invite a bold question. What if time isn't what it seems? Science, too, is beginning to question the nature of time. Physicists are finding that, at the deepest level, time may be more illusion than law. The more we study the universe, the more time looks like a stubborn illusion, a product of our perception. The journey to understand this begins not in a temple, but in the mind of a scientist. It's a journey from clocks and calendars to the quantum edge of reality. What if the river of time we believe carries us is just a trick of perspective? Let's follow this thread to where science and experience meet. Early in the 20th century, Albert Einstein changed everything. Before him, time was thought to be absolute, a universal clock ticking for everyone. But Einstein's relativity showed time is flexible, stretching and shrinking with speed and gravity. Time and space are woven into a four-dimensional fabric spacetime. This led to the concept of the block universe. Imagine your life as a loaf of bread, each slice a moment in time. From inside, we experience one slice at a time, but from outside, the whole loaf, past, present, and future, exists at once. In this view, the flow of time is an illusion. All moments are equally real. The dinosaurs, your childhood, and your future all exist in different parts of the block. It's unsettling. If all moments exist, is free will an illusion too? It's like a movie, the whole story exists, but we experience it frame by frame. The equations of relativity treat all moments equally. There's no special now, so why do we feel time flowing? Einstein himself called the distinction between past, present, and future a stubbornly persistent illusion. This illusion is one of the biggest mysteries in physics. The block universe challenges everything we think we know about time. If all moments exist, what does it mean to live in the present? The answer may lie in the quantum world. Let's go deeper. Now let's shrink down to the quantum realm, the world of atoms and particles. Here, reality is a blur of probabilities. A particle doesn't have a definite location until we measure it. Before that, it exists in a cloud of possibilities. Some physicists believe the universe is fundamentally timeless at this level. Instead of a flowing river, reality may be a series of static moments, like frames in a film. Each now is a unique arrangement of particles. The universe clicks from one snapshot to the next. There's no flow, just a succession of moments. Our brains stitch these frames together, creating the illusion of time. The Wheeler-DeWitt equation, which tries to unite relativity and quantum mechanics, has no time variable at all. It suggests the universe, at its core, is timeless. The Big Bang, the rise of life, every event could all be part of one vast, unchanging quantum reality. The passage of time we feel may be an emergent property, not a fundamental one. At the deepest level, there may be only a collection of nows. So, where does our sense of time come from? If the universe is timeless, why do we feel the present flowing? One idea, our consciousness creates the experience of time. Imagine your life as a loaf of bread, and your awareness as a spotlight moving from slice to slice. The spotlight illuminates one moment, the present, while the rest waits in the dark. The flow of time is not in the universe, but in the movement of our awareness. Our brains evolved to process reality as a sequence, helping us survive and plan. Time, then, could be a story our minds create to make sense of a timeless world. We are not passengers on a river. We are the light that creates the illusion of its flow. The idea that time is an illusion isn't new. Ancient cultures and spiritual traditions spoke of a reality beyond time, eternity, the absolute, the unchanging. In Buddhism and Hinduism, the goal is to transcend the illusion of time and self, living in the eternal now. Indigenous cultures like Aboriginal Australians describe dreamtime, a timeless reality coexisting with ours. These views echo the block universe where all moments exist at once. Science and spirituality from different directions point to the same possibility. Time is a convincing illusion. Our most advanced physics is catching up to ancient wisdom. What does this mean for how we live? If all moments exist, every moment is precious. The past isn't lost and the future isn't just unknown, they're all part of the tapestry of existence. Joy, love, and wonder are permanently etched into space-time. Your future self already exists. Your choices now shape which path you experience. This perspective can ease regret and anxiety, and even transform our fear of death. In the block universe, death is simply the final slice. Your life remains a permanent part of the cosmos. Carl Sagan said, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." Exploring timelessness invites us to live fully in the present, the only place we truly are. If time is an illusion, the present is where our power lies. By focusing here, we can experience life more deeply and find peace beyond past and future. We are not just carried by time, we help create our journey through the universe.